This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 251 rupees is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, smoke detector, slide-out, external shower, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, LP detector, water heater, stovetop burner, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 251 rupees is 5,330 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.